Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 22 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to send this one to Twinmotion and we started adding vegetation. We also added some cars and also we added the materials. So now we're gonna still continue working on this. What I want to do is to set this one. So click on ambient, go to environment, and I want the season to be changed here. Okay. And then here. So as you can see, it looks really good. Everything looks vibrant. That's why I have to change it to this one. So especially this type of I'm probably going to add one more. I'm gonna hold on shift and copy it because I like the color it creates. There we go. And even this one. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to add lights. So I'm gonna click on spotlight like that, and here I'm gonna put it up, and because we know the distance that each and every one of this one has, it's easier for us to gauge, but you want to make sure you change the temperature, the light temperature, and I'm going to put 10. And then now 1, and then I believe we have 7. If it's over, it's easy for us to delete. And then highlight everything, hold on shift, and then select the last one. I think we put it in 2000. Spacing is 2000, so 2 meters, and as you can see, just right there. I'm gonna lower it a bit. There we go. So everything is showing now. I'm gonna use 1 and add it here. So I just creating the distancing right here. And then we could do 4 of them, every 1 meter. Well, looks like it's not, so we could manually put this one like so. And then we could copy this one and add it here. Every 0.8 meters or 800 millimeters something like that, and then add it here as well. .8, and then 2 more. And then we have some at the top. We're going to add it. Make sure to hold on shift once you move it. And then add it one more here. I'm gonna add something here as well on the side, and this one is every 1 meter, maybe 6 more, and then we're just lacking 2 more. There we go. Get this one. Delete this. And then both of them. Two meters. Then I'll grab one of them again. And then 4 more. So now it's looking good. What we could do is grab one and pull it down. I want this one to be the spotlight for this. Okay. Then we'll just add it one at a time to these locations. There we go. So the lights are good. I think we're good. We could create our images. So here I'm gonna start with this image. I'm just going to move this one a bit. Okay, I'm going to go to media and click my first image. You can move it around and just click on refresh, and then here in camera you can adjust exposure or focal length. Okay, click on refresh, click on render, make sure you're clicking lumen, and then click on path tracer, and you want to be in high. Okay, and then click refresh, and then once you're done, put this one right there. We could do this as well. Second image, and then here's the third image, and another image that is zoom in. And then you could go back here and then turn on path tracer, so that once you render, everything is turned on. So we created 4. You can do more if you want, like different settings. Here I'm just checking my I need to show that this is actually angled, so that's why I'm trying to make this one parallel. Okay, I'm gonna create another one, probably similar to this, but different setting. So I'm gonna create this one. I'm gonna change, so I'm gonna change environment for this one. Scroll all the way down. I want it to be snowing. Okay, and then I'll refresh this one. So this one has a different setting. So at least I have 5, and then we could create the video. Make sure you quit media so that it goes back to the same or the default setting that you choose. And then here I want to start from here, zooming in, or I'm gonna change the angle a bit like this, zooming in. I'm gonna change this to 7. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave it at 10. And then I'm going to do this. I'm gonna do 4 seconds. I'm also going to do this. going to the right. Six seconds. Going out. Three seconds. I want to showcase the cars. Three seconds. Four seconds. And going out now. 5. Going out here. 5 seconds, and then going on the other side. And then click here again, duplicate this, rename it, show reel, and then the other one is shorts, and then for the shorts, change it to 1,000, and then this one is 700. That's good right there. What you need to do is go to export, select all, and then you just need to start exporting. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.